this is a conference which is coming on between the 25th to 28th of June 2026. That is this year 2026. And where is this conference happening? If you want to know more and if you want to know the juicy opportunity in this conference, then just stay with me as we dive into this conference. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Share this video, subscribe to this channel, like, and then you subscribe, turn notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop any new video like this one. If you need me to assist you with your visa application, just check the tag product. Okay, check the tag product. My shop is there and book the services from there. Now, without wasting much of your time, this is Global Vision Assembly 2026. Now, this conference is happening in Portugal, June 25th to June 28th, 2026. So, first of all, what you have to do is to check your eligibility for this conference. Okay, so I'll leave the link in this video description for you so that you can go to the website and then you start your application. Now, eligibility checker. So, what are the eligibility criteria? First of all, you need to choose your country. So, we have all the countries here. So, choose your country wherever you find yourself and then you enter your age. That is, you enter your age. Then, after entering your age, you set your role. Either you are a student, so you can participate in this conference if you are a student, you are employed, entrepreneur, or unemployed. So choose the selection. Then you check your eligibility, and I just check mine, and as you can see, you are eligible. So it means that I am eligible to attend to this conference. Now, after checking your eligibility, the next thing is to go check the categories which are best suitable to you. Then you just submit your application on that. But I will encourage you that if you want to attend this conference, make sure you go in for the ones that you will sponsor yourself, because the fully funded one are very competitive. It is very competitive, but you can try your luck on the fully funded one. But if you want to go, if you want to get assurance that yes, your seat is being booked for this conference, go in for the self-funded one. That is going to make it easy for you to attend this conference. So these are the categories. They have the fully funded. Let me take you through. Now, the fully funded, these are the packages that you are going to get. Round trip airfare, they are going to pay. Luxury accommodation. Now, accommodation later, that is your address of your accommodation that is going to help you with your visa application are going to be provided. Daily breakfast will be provided and lunch visa support will be provided. Official invitation letter for the conference will be provided. Airport transfer will be given to you. Full follow access, graduation certificate from the conference, speaking opportunity. There is going to be an opportunity for you to speak at the conference. Now we have the official invitation letter also here. Now access, assembly access. Now for the assembly access, this is not funded. You are going to sponsor yourself. You pay 389.9 cents as the registration fee for this, and these are the benefits. Guarantee spot to attend this conference. They are going to give you a guarantee spot, full access to all sessions, official invitation letter, visa support, daily lunch, merchandise certificate, city tour, speaking opportunity, online access, and others. Then we have the self-funded. This is self-funded package, and registration fee for the self-funded package is 699.9. So this is it, and you are going to have these as the benefit from this official invitation letter, They are going to give you accommodation, will be provided for you. Visa support is also going to be there. Then all these are going to be there for you guys. Okay, so what I have to do is just hit on register now. If you want to register, hit on register now, and this is where it is going to take you to. And then you need to make sure you fill your details, complete every bit information that they are looking for. All right, so this is it. Your first name, you enter your last name, you enter your nationality, you enter your gender, you enter country of resident, your city, postal code, address, date of birth, and then email address. Provide your WhatsApp number, and then you agree to the terms, and then you proceed to checkout to make your payment, and then you will be able to get your invitation letter to attend this conference in Portugal in 2026. If you need more information, you can leave it in the comment section. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. If you need me to help you with the application, just pick the number on the screen or email me so that we can take it from there. See you in the next video. Bye bye.